To create the Naira sign in CorelDRAW, you come to test on the test menu. Then you click on test, Ctrl T. If it is on, I think mine is on earlier. So I'm clicking again. So it will come in. Let me go to the next page. So something like this. Something like this. What we'll be doing now? Let me delete these ones. You take this. Naira sign, capital letter N on keyboard. So click here. Drag it to the size you want. So what the first thing you do is to come by default. Once you click on test, it might be like this on your test menu. It might come like this. So you come to this place, strike through, character strike through. Yeah. Then you click on double tick, depending on the type of character font you're using, typeface you're using. So if it is a tick typeface, you should use double tick and tick. Can you see? Depending on what you want to use, but let's use double tick. This how it is. Let me apply it to this one too. Come here, character strike 2. I can use one. Yeah. So this is how it works. Don't forget to watch more videos like this and stay tuned for more. You're welcome.